folks. Sorry about the delay there. Today I wanted to kind of continue on with a topic I started a few nights ago, talking about this lint mitt here, or this lint brush. It's actually a dog hair removal mitt. They designed it to, I guess, use on furniture, use on like chairs or carpet to remove the dog hairs. And the process of this is, or the concept of it, is you rub it one way, go against the grain to pick up the lint, and you rub it the other way once you get it outside or over a trash can to take the hair or the lint off the material. I'm continuing my testing of this product, and one of the things I've done here today is use it to work the material on cloth seats and synthetic type material. One thing I've noticed with this particular product here is it's pretty much usable, and I was using it on my carpet the other night. Once I got done with that video, I went and was detailing out the interior of my car, my personal car, and I was getting way up under the dash and areas that you hardly even detail. I mean, just places you can't really detail. And I, reaching my hand all. Here, I put it on my hand. I was reaching my hand all up under the dash. You can see how this thing conforms to your hand. It bends, and so I was reaching my hand all up in there, and I was moving it around. And I was getting all kind of dirt and dust out with this thing. It was great. It was just grabbing. And the thing is, you just kind of remember. You gotta kind of figure out which way you need to, go with your hand to get the whatever you're working on, getting it out. You just gotta figure out which way you need to go and just turn this thing proper direction. But like with this here with my thumb, if I want to get the material off going that way, I have to rub that way. And of course, if the material needs to come back toward me, or if I need to rub back toward me, I flip it the other way and I can rub this way. So what I've noticed is you can pretty much use this mitt on anything or any area where you were planning on at least using some type of scrub brush, like a hard bristle brush. Like, for example, if this seat had stains in it here, and I was going to pre-soak it and then scrub it, I can pretty much go behind it with this. And speaking of scrubbing, I got my material here. Now, what I've been doing is on some areas I've pre-soaked. Just for an example, this seat's really not that dirty, but I still wanted to talk about this thing today. But I could sit here and pre-soak this area like this, right? And maybe even go that way, go with the grain or against the grain. Now you see this material here, it's got grain. It's got the grain kind of goes diagonally. Now the other thing here is figure out which way the material goes so you know which side to use it on. And I pre-soak this here, or I say pre-soak it. I soak the mitt, and then like I said, if I had a stain here, I could either go against the grain or with the grain, or I could even scrub it like that. And this thing's great. It just grabs the dust, grabs the dirt. And I say the dirt it's not embedded into the material, because you still go back behind this with a microfiber like this one here. Still go back behind this with a microfiber and soak up any type of solution you have on the material. And I haven't really soaked. Well, I have. It's kind of fibbing there. I've soaked my mitt now. It's a pretty good bit, but it's great. You can actually see the product on the mitt. Rub it in, and I wouldn't use this on anything that was very delicate, something you don't want to, something that you normally wouldn't use. I wouldn't use this on my paint, for example. There you go. I wouldn't use this on my paint. I wouldn't use this on my console, where the like the LCD screen or the buttons. It's delicate. I definitely use them on my seat, my carpet. I wouldn't use them around anything greasy. I wouldn't want these type of fibers to get gunked up with type of grease or something like that. And the good thing about this mitt here is it dries out and it's good as new. I was actually going to go out and buy another one, and I still may. You can go out and buy another one just for test purposes, just to go out, or actually probably start using this one just for test purposes, and just go out and buy another one and use it, for wiping down my microfibers and stuff. But so far so good on this. It's like I said, it's designed for pet hair, but I just I'm seeing so many uses for this thing. And the main thing to keep in mind, again, I'll reiterate, the main thing to keep in mind here is just don't use it on any surface that is delicate and you don't want to see marred.